Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of SSC as well as defense examinations. So let us see exactly what it has been given in the part 83. I request you guys to check playlist up to part 82 has been given. You can directly go through whatever had been given in the playlist. So initially we have the slogan "No taxation without representation" was raised during the American War of Independence. So whatever the tax, no taxation without representation was formulated during the time of American War of Independence. Dronacharya Award is given to the field of sports. We knew that it has been given for the coaches who had given the extraordinary service towards coaching. Two states were locked in dispute over the installation of crest gates in the Almaty Dam. As you can see how exactly the Almaty Dam looks like. These are the two states, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Between these two, that Almaty Dam dispute have taken place. Now I am asking you guys to comment me on this section. This is located on which river? GATT, generally Association for Trade and Transport is the abbreviation for the GATT. Deep blue black box. This is one thing you have to remember. In the aircraft, during the emergency, if there is any crash of the aircraft, the reason of emergency will be recorded in this. That is known as deep blue black box. This is what exactly flight recorder, we also call it as flight recorder. In the 19th century, the people of Europe started moving from the villages to cities due to the impact of industrialization. So this industrialization had been taken place during the time of 19th century. Next we have the important cause of Civil War of America was abolition of slavery was the main cause of Civil War of America. Industrial Revolution could not have come about without merchant or capitalism. So this is what you have to remember. What are the Industrial Revolution that couldn't have come about without merchant capitalism. Decibel is a unit of sound intensity. Please remember, guys, whatever the decibel we measure, it is the unit of sound intensity. The weight of a body is maximum at what? In the poles we will find the maximum, but in the equator we will find it minimum. The ball pen works on the principle of capillarity and surface tension. We knew that whatever the ink of the pen comes out with the capillarity as well as surface tension. At what temperature a body will not radiate any heat energy? That is at minus 273 degrees centigrade, that will not radiate any heat energy. In a standing wave, the distance between the node and the adjacent antinode, as you can see here, we have adjacent antinode as well as adjacent node is the main one which have been asked. That is half of the lambda, that is lambda by 2. So it is, if it is asked as adjacent node and antinode, here that is different case. So here whatever has been given, that is lambda by 2. A telescope and a microscope differ in the telescope has eyepiece with larger focal lengths than the objective. We knew that whatever telescopes we have, they are used for the seeing the distant objects, in which, and a microscope whatever it has got eyepiece as well as objective piece. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join me on Defense ICTA Telegram. You can share it to your friends also. More than 800 plus question papers have been given, as it is segregated in a good sequence. Let us see what we have in the next slide. The galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by using a high resistance in series. This is what exactly the function of galvanometer is, that can be converted into voltmeter by using a high resistance in series. The apparatus is used in submarines to give a clear view of the objects on the surface of the ocean or ground. That is known as periscope. As you can see how exactly the periscope looks like. In that periscope, two plane mirrors are used. The metal is commonly used for making an electromagnet, that is iron. 1 kilowatt hour is the unit for what? That is the unit of energy. Choke is used to reduce the current in AC circuit. As you can see to the right side how exactly the choke looks like. That is used to reduce the current in alternate current circuit. Piezoelectric current is exhibited by quartz. As you can see how exactly the piezoelectric effect which is exhibited by quartz. Next we have the lunar caustic, that is silver nitrate is known as lunar caustic. Silver means Ag, nitrate means NO3. This is what you have to remember, silver nitrate. The color gas with the smell of rotten fish, that is hydrogen sulfide. You will find that it's a colorless gas with the smell of rotten fish. Isotopes have the same atomic number. We knew that. What exactly the isotopes are? In which we have the same atomic number. The fungicide Bordeaux mixture consists of copper sulfate and calcium hydroxide. This is one thing. The fungicide Bordeaux mixture consists of copper sulfate and calcium hydroxide. The substance used in the manufacture of high voltage insulators is silicons. As you can see to the right side how exactly silicons are used in the high voltage. You will find high voltage lines where this type of silicons are used. Tobacco is preserved from drying out in glycerol. So this is, you have to remember, whatever the tobacco we have, that is preserved from the drying out in glycerol. The shining particle seen in the path of beam from a project is cinema hall is due to the Brownian movement of the dust. So this is what you have to remember. What are the shining particles seen in the path of beam from a projector is in cinema hall. We will find whenever there is a projection of that light, automatically we find the dust. That dust is because of the Brownian movement of dust. The equivalent conductance of an electrolyte on dilution may increase or decrease depending on the electrolyte. So please remember, whatever the conductance which has got this equivalent conductance of an electrolyte on the dilution, that may increase or decrease depending on the electrolyte. The Friendship Day is celebrated on the 1st August. The Friendship Day is celebrated. As you can see to the right side, Brownian movement proves the existence of molecules and thermal motion of molecules, since the colloidal particles acquire almost same energy possessed by the molecules of dispersion medium. That's it guys, these are the few questions I had compiled. I hope you are going through all those parts. That will help you a lot. If you want a PDF of 2100 of GK and GS, you can call me on 766730 I hope I'm doing my best. I want you guys to prepare as per your syllabus, as per the playlist. You can directly go through them. Please go through the YouTube and you make it as a speed, then it will be very useful for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life guys.